Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Buffer, a powerful tool for automating social media posts and managing your online presence with ease. If you're looking to save time and keep your social media accounts active, this tutorial will get you started. Let's jump in. Set up your Buffer account. Sign up on Buffer and connect your social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Buffer supports multiple accounts so you can manage them all in one place. Create a posting schedule. Navigate to the Settings tab to set up your ideal posting schedule. Choose the best times for your audience, and Buffer will queue posts to go live automatically at those times. Add and customize content. Use the Content tab to draft your posts. Write captions, add images or videos, and preview how your posts will look. You can even personalize posts for each platform. Track performance. Use Buffer's analytics to monitor engagement and see which posts resonate with your audience. Adjust your strategy based on these insights to improve your social media game. Buffer makes managing social media effortless, giving you more time to focus on creating great content. Have you tried Buffer for your social media automation? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.